How to check your battery health on iPhone. I'm not talking about this one on the screen right now, I'm talking about the real one, so let's see how to check it out. First, open settings and scroll down, tap on privacy and security. From here, scroll down again and tap on analytics and improvements. Now make sure this toggle was turned on 48 hours prior to this operation or else it won't work. If you had it on, go ahead and tap on analytics data. And from these files, look for the one that starts with analytics, and if you have multiple ones starting with analytics, make sure you have the latest one by checking the date right here. After that, go ahead and tap on it. You'll find this huge text. Just long tap on it and select all of it just like that. After that, go ahead and copy it. Go ahead and quit the app and go to your notes. Tap right here to create a new one, and then tap anywhere. Tap on paste after that to paste the huge text right here, and here you go. After that, tap on done in the top right corner and then tap there again. Tap on find in note. Search for battery cycle count right here without spaces between those words. You should find something that looks like this. Now from here along that line, you'll find this number right here. It is the number of charges your phone has went through. Now remember that number and I'll tell you why in a second. So if your iPhone went through 500 cycles of charging, that means the actual battery health is at 80%. So mathematically, if I went through 110, that means my battery health is 96%. And that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.